Hi guys, Kevin Lee Jacobs. For dinner tonight, I'm making honey tamari salmon. It's one of my husband's favorite dishes, and I love it too. It comes together in 15 minutes or less, and it is delicious. In fact, it's beyond delicious. So let's get started. I'm going to be serving the fish on a bed of brown rice. So to make life a little easier and to save time, I purchase brown rice in a freezer bag. So I'm going to pop this in the microwave for exactly 3 minutes. I'll be right back. While the rice is cooking, slice up 1 scallion. Here in the Northeast, we call these things scallions, but I think in the South, they are known as green onions. So in the comments field below, you could let me know what you refer to these things as. Scallion or green onion? And I'll put these in a little bowl. The scallion will be one of the garnishes for the salmon. Done. The rice. And I'm going to cut the bag open. You have to be careful with these things. These steam-in bags are actually terrific. Just watch out for the steam. And I will pour this into a bowl because neatness counts. For the fish, you'll need 2 salmon fillets, or 4, depending on appetites or how many people you're serving for dinner. And so it's just me and Mr. Fox. So I have 2 fillets, and these are center cut fillets that are skinned. You can always ask the fishmonger at your local supermarket to skin your fillets. Season the fillets with a little salt. I'm using kosher salt, and some fresh grinds of black pepper. I'm going to cook the fish in a wide skillet. This is, I think, a 10-inch skillet, and non-stick. And I'm using my handy induction burner. I have a gas cooktop behind me, but then I'd have my back to the camera. And I really like the induction burner because it heats up very, very quickly. A lot of people have asked what kind of induction burner I use, and this is called Tramontina. I'll post a link to the burner in the description box below, just in case you're in the market for such a burner. And we're going to add, about 1.5 tablespoons of butter to the skillet. I have the skillet over medium-high heat, and we're going to add a little drizzle of olive oil. The olive oil is there to keep the butter from burning. The butter will brown, it just won't burn. My butter has melted, so in go the fillets, seasoned side down. We're going to let these sit for, 2 or 3 minutes, or until they are richly browned on the underside. So I'll be right back. My salmon has been cooking for only 2 minutes, so let's have a look. Ooh, beautiful. This is the brown you're looking for. So we will let the underside cook for, just 60 seconds. The goal is to not overcook the salmon. Okay, at this stage, put the salmon on a plate. I don't know if you can see, but the salmon is not, let me try to adjust this. The salmon is not cooked all the way through, and that's what you're looking for. Browned, again, browned but not overcooked. And we're going to add another tablespoon or so of butter to the skillet. And then we make our sauce. In goes Tamari sauce. This is organic, gluten-free tamari. And tamari is like a high-end soy sauce. If your supermarket doesn't sell it, we can get a facial here. If your supermarket doesn't sell tamari, just use regular soy sauce. And then we add some honey. I'm using local, very local honey. My neighbor actually has beehives, and every fall she brings me a gallon of honey, and I just put it in these little plastic squeeze bottles. We'll give this a little stir. And as the honey and tamari simmer, they will thicken dramatically. They will also darken dramatically. And now, return the salmon to the skillet. And grab a spoon. Hang on. And we're going to baste the salmon with this absolutely exquisite sauce. It's a sweet and savory sauce. I wish you could smell this. We will just baste the sauce, or rather baste the fish, until we feel that the fish has been infused with the honey and tamari. So baste it about 10 times over the course of 1 minute. To serve this great meal, put some rice on a plate, or 2 plates, since 2 people are eating tonight. I love brown rice because it's really healthy. It's lots of fiber. And again, if you buy it in those freezer bags, 3 minutes in the microwave. And here's the fish. Oh, we want to put a beautiful fillet on top of the rice. I'll go like this. And do the other one. Like so. And then, with the extra sauce that remains in the skillet, just pour it right over the fillet and some of the rice. Brown rice with this honey tamari sauce is like unbelievable. So delicious, it defies description. There you go. And then we want to add some sesame seeds for a little crunch. Just enough to make the salmon look pretty. And if we want to zhuzh this up some more, we add the scallion that we sliced earlier. We need a green vegetable to go with this dish. I have some snow peas here that I washed earlier, and I did not cook them because my favorite way to eat snow peas is raw. They're crunchy, sweet, and really wonderful. Taste test. This thing gets me every time. Salmon is perfectly cooked, but it's not overcooked. It still has a somewhat creamy consistency. Has a nice crust on it too. Has the crunch from the sesame seeds, and it is totally infused with the honey and tamari sauce. Oh, I hope you make this dish someday. As you've just seen, it's really simple to do. And again, you can make it in 15 minutes or less. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and post a comment below. I love hearing from you. I'll see you next time with another delicious recipe. Bye for now.